Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby's vlog. My short video today is about a good place to visit here in the Bantayan, Cebu, which is the Bantayan Park. It was a family great bonding moment by visiting the Candaya Food Park, having our dinner, and then strolling on the night breeze by the seaside. After a quick dinner of barbecues, we went for strolling on the park. While we had children with us, we went to the playground area. And I was surprised to know that there was another playground that both kids and adults, especially me, will enjoy. Tada! The one, guys. I like this, guys, because there's a workout playground here in the Adbantayan Park. I'm so thrilled with this news, guys, and I came especially to visit this place because I came to know that there's a workout playground here in this place in the Adbantayan Park. This machine right here is good for the legs. Oh guys, I enjoyed it a lot. Do you think that I'm a kid once again? Kung saan ako gustong pumasyal, guys, ito ang gusto kong pasyalan.
Pull up daw, ma. Ma, pull up daw.
So ito guys, pangarap ko po itong mag-pull up. Kaya lang wala akong lugar para mag-pull up.
Serious? Serious? Serious kay ka?
Mukhang serious daw ako, guys. Ayun guys, kasi tuwang-tuwa talaga ako, guys. Kaya gusto kong maging serious sa aking pag-workout. Kahit nag-enjoy ang mga kids, nag-enjoy rin po ako, guys. Pinupuri ko talaga ang gumawa nito, guys. Kasi
Okay.
kakaiba siya at walang katulad. Thank you for the government of the Bantayan for making this kind of recreation for the citizens. This park is a good awareness for the citizens as a reminder to engage in physical activities for a healthy well-being.
Lingot mo?
So ayun guys, nagpapawisan yung mga kasama ko. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye!